IELTS Practice Instructions. Welcome to this IELTS practice video from IELTS Ignite. This video is for educational purposes only. Please do not copy or redistribute it without permission. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to IELTS Ignite for more IELTS practice videos, sample answers, and exam preparation tips. Here's how this video works. First, you will see the IELTS question. Take a moment to read it carefully and think about your answer. After a short pause, you will hear and see a sample answer. Compare it with your own response and learn useful vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures. Pause the video whenever you need more time to practice. Thank you for learning with IELTS Ignite. Let's get started.